How to get 1000 followers on Instagram in 5 minutes. You need just $10 to get 1000 followers, and if you stick to the end of this video, I will share with you an app that makes you $10-20 a month completely passively. Let's get started. We open a website called socialbooster.me. I will put the link in the description. Here you need to make a registration. Click registration. I already have one. Now pick the social platform you want, in this case Instagram, and followers. Select a package. Real followers are expensive, but if you have money, that's a really good option. For now, I'll just click quick followers. Those are bots. Single order. You can also choose to reorder in every 7 days or 30 days. Now we will need the link to our Instagram profile. To get that on mobile, the fastest way is just open your tab, type Instagram, click on it and hold. Now copy link text, paste, edit it like that, and now we just have to add our username. Open our Instagram. In my case, this is Mario DH93. And we click pay for order separated. If you want to get more mobile apps knowledge in less than 2 minutes, subscribe to my channel. I will give you 3 seconds to do that, and then I will share with you the app I mentioned at the beginning of this video. If you want to get some cash completely effortlessly, tap on the link at the top of this video.